Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is enrolled and online. That matters because MDM needs reachability. Once connected, open the Managed App Store entry and install the MDM client, then grant required permissions like location and notifications so push enrollment can complete. Next, enter your corporate username and password, and when prompted, paste the enrollment code or scan the QR. Make sure the device ID shown matches your IT ticket before you proceed. Once you submit credentials, you handle authentication steps. Follow the MFA prompt, accept the push, enter the code, or approve via your authenticator app. After authentication, the MDM will push configuration profiles, review and tap install for VPN, Wi-Fi, certificates, and email profiles. While profiles install, the app will show a progress or pending policies list. Do not interrupt. Let it finish. If you see a device mismatch, recheck the device ID and reinitiate enrollment. You finish by confirming compliance status inside the MDM app. Look for green check marks on policies and valid certificates. Next, launch managed apps to verify email sync, VPN connectivity, and access to corporate resources. These tests prove enrollment succeeded. If something fails, reboot the device and retry enrollment. If issues persist, capture logs from the MDM diagnostics page and send them to IT. That step ensures they can trace failures. Include timestamps and the device ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.